Good day everyone. Today let's learn how to paint in this style using oil paint. This time we'll keep it simple and start with the basics. First, let's prepare our colors. We'll be using the primary colors red, yellow, and blue along with black, white, and mauve. You don't need to buy lots of paints to create beautiful artwork. What really matters is mastering how to mix different colors, and this will also help you save money. Now, prepare two containers for the medium, one for the lighter colors and the other for darker colors. Let's start mixing. To make green, simply combine blue and yellow. Then, we'll apply this mixture to our canvas for the background. Alternate the shades of green, and if you want to lighten the tone, just add a bit of white. Think of it as playing with colors. Don't overthink it. Let your hand move freely and enjoy the process. Remember, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Painting is all about learning, and one of the best parts is that it helps relieve stress. It gives our minds a break. And the good news is, mistakes can always be corrected. You can apply more layers later on. For the background, I'm making brush strokes in an X pattern. This adds textures and makes the painting more dynamic instead of just a flat color. Vary the colors slightly to create a soft, blurred effect. I also use a dry brush to smoothen transitions between shades. Just make sure you avoid abrupt color change so the background looks more natural and realistic. Next, let's paint the flowers. I'll use a palette knife to create straight lines and apply colors in a sequence that looks close to real life flowers. The fun part is enjoying the process. There's no need to rush. And that's it. I really enjoyed making this piece, and I hope you did too. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss my next video. And of course, like and comment below to let me know what you think of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.